We'll arrive in our lives, but you gotta be smart about it. Celebration with the guy. Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another hair tutorial. So today's tutorial is going to be on Ali Grace hair. They sent me this bomb, sleek 22-inch, 180% density wig. It's a closure wig, and I just left it in its natural state. The only thing that I did was pluck, bleach. That was all I did for the closure, and I just straightened it bone straight. I'm sick, y'all. Bone straight. And y'all, this is how it came out. I topped it off with a hat because it's long and sleek. I definitely had plans for this look, and I really love how it came out. I was gonna get my nails done today, but I didn't go. Yeah, I honestly love this look. This tutorial is also up. It's a live video, so don't forget to go check that out. It will be in the description below if you don't see it. But yeah, y'all, if y'all want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. What's up, y'all? I am back with another hair tutorial. So this is Ali Grace Hair Company. I will leave everything in the description right below so that you go check them out. They sent over this green bag with some items in it. They sent over a card to tell you what to do with the hair, and wig cap, and also a clip and earrings, and also some lashes. And here is the wig. I love the wig. I love how it looks. I love how the luster of the wig is coming off on the camera, but the only thing is the ends of the wig for me was not giving. It was, every time I flat ironed it, it just didn't give what it was supposed to give. So I did go ahead and bleach and pluck this off camera so that I can get into the installation. It was really quick because the wig was already made to me. I didn't go ahead and like cut it up or anything like that because I had something planned for this look, so I just wanted it bone straight. So what I'm doing here is I'm just basically taking my wax stick and I am hot combing this wig down. The hot comb is going to be your best friend when it comes to wigs because it's just going to make it lay flat and make it look a little bit more realistic than if you were to flat iron it. I love a hot comb, okay? And these hot combs will be coming to my site, Be Fierce Beauty, so pretty soon. I'm thinking about launching November, December, so just keep on watching for that. And don't forget to go follow me at B Marie. That's my Instagram. And also don't forget to go follow my cosmetic page at Be Fierce Beauty so y'all can get updates. And also don't forget to go turn on notifications for both. Okay, so what I'm doing right here is I didn't have any braids in my head, so I couldn't sew the part where the closure was just going to be. So I just had to make it look as if it was a frontal, and I am cutting all excess off so that I can apply my cream, which you're about to see now. It's a makeup cream from Ruby Kisses. I'm going to apply this all over and also onto the wig cap or the wig closure as well. Right here, I put the wig cap on my head just to see if the part was right and if it was in the middle. And I'm just basically fixing my part, making it more straighter and making it more crisp. It is down the middle now. I did pluck some of my part as well to make it a little bit wider, and I did go ahead and take this off my hand and spray the middle part with black spray to make it look more sleek, like a bomb part. But yeah, it looks so good on my head, and like it matches. But I just feel like, and I also cut off the tabs on the ends of the closure just to make it blend a little bit more. I also feel like I could have used lace tint. Even though I use makeup that matches my skin tone, I feel like lace tint probably would help as well because it will probably blend more within my skin because this is like fabric. So you want to tint the lace so that it can match your skin tone. I do have lace tint. I just don't use it because when I spray it, it's kind of watery, but I'm going to use it again. I'm going to try it again in another tutorial to see if it's going to melt like I like it. This is boho. I want to try different glue, so if you have any suggestions in the comment section below, please let me know, because I would love to try another lace glue. That was boho, and I just feel like after a certain time it gets old, like, I don't know, sitting there. So I put this on, I put 3 coats on, and then now I'm going to apply the lace. I'm trying to see where I was going to apply it, and I'm applying it right at the tip of where the hair starts. Then I'm going to start pressing it in with my comb so that it can melt. Okay, it melted, but I swear when I take pictures, this is always the flash, not flash back, but like you can see that it looks melted on camera, but then when I take the picture, it's like, dang, don't it like this in person? It don't like this in person. So yeah, I think I'm gonna start using lace tint. So I did set it on the dryer to let it dry a little bit before I start cutting the excess lace off. I did do that for like 15 minutes, and now I am cutting the excess lace off so that y'all can see how it melted into the skin, period. So now I'm also going to hot comb the sides so that you won't see the part on the sides. You want to make sure you hot comb that part, because if not, and you try to hot comb it back, you're going to see the little tabs on each side, and you don't want to see that. So yeah, I'm definitely flat ironing that to the side. Okay, so after that was done, I did go ahead and apply the melt band again, and I also went ahead and set under the dryer for at least 15 minutes. And boom, there it is, melted. I did also put some hairspray on my lace before I did actually set under the dryer for 15 minutes, because I just feel like some parts or some pieces I did not want to go back in with got to be glue, so I got to be boho, so I just went ahead and sprayed it with some Tresemme. Yeah, some Tresemme hairspray to kind of hold it down. Now I'm just taking my wax stick and I'm just hot combing everything at the top to make it look like it is blended. Now it's time to flat iron the hair. So like I said, I didn't cut anything, I just left everything as is, 22 inches, 180% density, and I'm just using my hot comb that will be coming soon to Be Fierce Beauty again. So you get the hair wrap, you get the hot combs, you get the flat irons. It's just all like, I'm telling you, I can't wait to drop the line. I'm just too thirsty. So yeah, I'm just taking my flat irons, and then I also go ahead and take my hot comb as well to ensure that everything is flat and not bulky, because I hate when I flat iron it and then it's still bulky. So yeah, I'm going to do this all over, and that will be it. Don't forget to go check out Ellie Grace in the description right below. They have all types of wigs, y'all, like from ranges to this wig, a curly wig, a kinky wig. It's all personal preference. They have it. They have blonde. So don't forget to go check them out in the description right below, and I will catch you all on my next tutorial. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial because, baby, trust me, it's gonna be a banger. Y'all, wait until you see the hair. But don't forget to check out Ali Grace in the description below, and I'll see y'all on the next one.